Number 1. High contrast. If you found that your display is not as readable as you'd hoped, there is a way that you can turn on high contrast. You can use a combination of keys to apply a special system color scheme that will help you read your screen better. To use this application, you would simply press Shift-Alt-Print. If you don't like the appearance of your screen once you've turned this on, you would simply go to the Ease of Access Center to disable the keyboard shortcut. Number 2. Rotate the screen. There's not much use to rotate your screen except to play a practical joke on the person using your computer. If you want to totally freak out your friend, rotating the screen is relatively simple. It just takes one simple command on the keyboard or Control-Alt-Up/Down/Left/Right arrow. Unfortunately, this trick will not work on every computer. It all depends on the system's graphics card and the video driver. If it works, the owner of the computer ain't gonna know what's going on. Number 3. Easily switch between open windows. If you have several windows open and you want to switch from one open program to another open program quickly, there's a little trick that you might not know about. All you need to do is hold Alt-Tab and you can move through the applications quickly. Each time you want to switch, you would need to press and hold the buttons. When you found the window that you want to work in, simply release both of the keys. Number 4. Delete without confirmation. It's really annoying when trying to delete something on your computer and it always asks if you're sure you want to delete this item. Well, it's pretty uncommon to accidentally delete something, so why be asked every single time, right? Well, if you want to skip this annoying step, you can simply press Shift-Delete. That shortcut can save you a great deal of time. Number 5. Show desktop or restore open windows. When you're working on your computer and you want to see your desktop, you don't need to move your mouse into the bottom right corner of the screen. If you press the Windows key plus D, it'll show your whole desktop. If you want to restore the screen, simply press the command again and things will go back to normal. Number 6. Lock system. If you're walking away from your computer for a while, it's a good idea to lock the system. Most people believe that this means logging out of the system. When you come back, you'd need to log back in, which can be annoying. To make it easier, all you need to do is press the Windows key plus L. That'll lock your system, and when you come back, everything will be the same as when you left. Number 7. Instant administrator access. If you're not the administrator on the computer but you need administrator access to run a command, it's possible to do, and it's relatively simple. The chain of commands might be complex, however, if you do it right, you're in. The commands go as follows. Windows key plus R, type CMD, hold Control plus Shift, hit Enter. If you're using Windows 10, this might not work. The update makes computers more secure, therefore whether or not this trick works depends on your operating system. Number 8. Shut down the computer. If for some reason your mouse is just not working and you need to shut down your computer or do anything else in the menu, you can do it right on your keyboard by entering a few simple commands. If you press the Windows key plus X, it'll open the Quick Access menu. And if you follow with I, it'll sign you out. If you press U, it will shut the computer down. If you press R, it will restart your computer. H will hibernate, and S will put your computer to sleep. It'll allow you to command your computer right from your keyboard. Number 9. The function keys. There are 12 function keys on a computer keyboard, and each of them provides hidden features in your keyboard. The tricks go as follows. F1, the universal shortcut for help. F2 is a universal edit key. F3, it allows you to search specific files and folders in Windows Explorer. F4 is the Great Escape key. F5, automatic refresh. F6, Tab key to toggle between desktop files and the taskbar and the system tray icons. F7, this key doesn't have any use in Windows, but it is very useful on Mozilla Firefox. F8 engages the Windows boost process. F9, if you press Control F9, you can compile and run code. F10 shows the menu bar in Firefox. F11 opens the full screen mode. F12 instantly opens the Save As mode. Number 10. The legs on the bottom of your keyboard. This trick is more about what's under the keyboard than what it can do. Most people think the legs lift up underneath to make typing easier. Well, that's part of their purpose. When you lift the legs on the keyboard, it also makes it easier to see the keyboard. That's especially helpful if you're not a very skilled typist.